Hello everyone, and welcome! Today, we're going to explore how to set up HTTP custom to create a secure internet connection on your device. Important reminder before we begin, it's crucial to always use VPNs and similar tools responsibly and in accordance with your local laws and regulations. Now, let's get started. 1. Installing HTTP custom. First, head to the Google Play Store on your Android device and install the HTTP custom application. This app will be the foundation for our secure connection. 2. Launching HTTP custom. Once the installation is complete, open HTTP custom. You'll be taken directly to the app's main screen, ready for configuration. 3. Obtaining a working SSH account. Using SSH Ocean, this is a critical step. We'll use SSH Ocean to get the necessary account details. Here's how. Open your browser. Launch your preferred web browser on your device. Search for SSH Ocean. In the search bar, type SSH Ocean and navigate to their official website. Find the SSH WebSocket service. On the SSH Ocean website, look for the menu, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines. Tap it, then select Services, and finally choose SSH WebSocket. Select an appropriate server. Browse the list of available servers and choose one that is geographically close to your current location and marked as online. This will generally provide the best performance. Click the Get Started button associated with that server. Create your SSH account. You'll be prompted to create an account. Enter a username, password, and complete the CAPTCHA verification process. Then, click Create Account. Copy and securely store your account details. This is extremely important. You'll be presented with several pieces of information: a payload, a host address, a port number, a username, and a password. Carefully copy all of these details and save them in a secure note on your device. You will need them in the following steps. 4. Configuring HTTP custom with your SSH account details. Now, let's switch back to the HTTP custom app and configure it with the information we just gathered. Open HTTP custom and enable settings. Open the HTTP custom app. On the main screen, ensure that both use payload and SSL options are checked, enabled. To access the payload configuration, tap the menu icon, often an amber-colored icon, then select Payload. Paste the payload. Carefully paste the payload string that you copied from SSH Ocean into the payload text field. Then, tap the Apply button to save the changes. 5. Entering your SSH account credentials. Next, we'll enter the core SSH account credentials into HTTP custom. Locate the fields for entering your SSH account details on the main screen of HTTP custom. Carefully paste the host address that you copied from SSH Ocean into the host field. Enter the port number, which is often 443, into the port field. Enter the username that you created on SSH Ocean into the username field. Enter the password that you created on SSH Ocean into the password field. Double-check the accuracy of these credentials. An incorrect username or password will prevent the connection from working. 6. Configuring SNI, server name indication, settings. The SNI settings are crucial for establishing a secure connection. Access the payload SNI settings. Tap the menu icon, the amber-colored icon, then select Payload. Locate the SNI text field. If there's any existing text in the field, delete it. Then, you'll need to enter a working SNI for your specific country or region. You may need to search online for a working SNI. Please exercise caution when obtaining SNI information from the internet, as the reliability of sources can vary. After entering the SNI, tap the Apply button, access the general SNI settings. Now, tap the main menu icon and select SNI. In the SNI field, enter the exact same SNI that you entered in the payload settings. This consistency is essential for a successful connection. Tap the Apply button. 7. Thoroughly cross-checking all settings. Before attempting to connect, take a moment to meticulously review all of the settings you've configured within HTTP custom. Verify that the host address, port number, username, password, and SNI settings are all accurate and match the information you obtained from SSH Ocean and your SNI source. 8. Establishing the connection. You've reached the final step. If you've carefully followed all of the preceding instructions and verified the accuracy of your settings, tap the Connect button. HTTP Custom will now attempt to establish a secure connection using the configured settings. Congratulations! If everything has been set up correctly, you should now have a secure, fast, and stable internet connection through HTTP Custom. Remember, it's always essential to use these tools responsibly and in accordance with your local laws. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more informative tutorials.